So, hey everybody, and happy Memorial Day!
Happy Memorial Day!
This is our Memorial Day video. What a weekend on the Colorado River.
It's wild here.
It's crazy. It's 108 degrees on the river.
They don't care.
They don't care. We didn't care because we wanted to bring you some footage, so let's show you some footage of the goings on the river. So yeah, we walked through this morning and it was pretty wild. There was a food truck there, so we were hoping there was some food around we won't have to go out to, although it's a little expensive.
Yeah, no.
That's okay.
It's okay.
But yeah, check out, all the people are partying.
They're having fun.
Yeah, having fun. It was awesome seeing, and maybe when it gets a little cooler this evening, maybe we'll go and partake in a little bit of the
Partying and fun.
Partying, or at least
Well,
go
not
down.
much partying.
Yeah, we don't really party, but we can go and sit around and enjoy everybody else partying because it's fun to watch them. But yeah, the boats are.
Oh yeah, we got some footage of the boats.
Yeah,
on the water.
Are awesome. So yeah, what a day. So that's what it's like on the
Colorado River.
Colorado River. Awesome. Oh, Aiden took some drone footage of the river the other day when I was tubing with
I did. We'll throw that in too.
with this one, with the JC. So yeah, take a look at that. That's fun. And this is his drone footage from the old drone.
From the old drone.
So it has this 720 or whatever it is camera, not the good camera yet, because he's still trying to figure out how to work the new drone with the really super duper camera.
I have to fine tune. So
Right, to get it to work.
To get it to work proper.
He'll
so
get it, and we'll bring you some excellent film once that. He was excited about showing you this film, so we threw him. Yeah. So that was that. What else did we do? Oh, I did some cooking.
You did?
I did. I made beef stroganoff, really simple beef stroganoff for on the road. I'll go ahead and I'll throw the video in right here. Nicely done. I cubed it up nicely. I'm going to add the sour cream and the tomato soup. Alright. And then you mix that all in really good. And then once you got those ingredients mixed in, then you start putting your Worcester sauce in. Now, I found out that we add quite a bit because we like the taste of it. The flavoring's awesome. But that's to your taste also, of course. Then I usually like to simmer this for about 10-15 minutes. And then it's ready to serve over noodles. And voila! This is what it looks like when it's done. And it's delicious. Easy, simple, good taste. You felt the camera was on. Good? Happy?
Really good.
Good.
Really happy.
Yay. Okay, so that's our little beef stroganoff recipe. We eat it a lot. It's easy and it's good. And anybody who actually makes real beef stroganoff, sorry.
Right. But it is our version, and
it works.
It works for us.
So, this is our 2-month mark of being full-time.
2 months.
No, it's 4 months. This is 2 months.
2 months, sorry.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited. I'm still looking forward to our adventures. Haven't really missed anything that we got rid of.
Me neither. Not like we were talking yesterday, and I said, do you miss anything that we sold and left behind?
Don't miss anything.
There's like nothing, and I said I don't even miss Toby, which was our car that we had since we first got together. So it was a older, you know, we love that car. We sold to my in-laws.
Well, actually, it went to our brother.
Oh yeah.
So
So
he's using it to go back and forth to work.
here it is. Yeah. So it went to a good place, and he's getting use out of it. And it's like, no, I don't miss it at all. He said made the gas mileage a little bit.
Yeah.
Gas prices are 3.22 right now, and the truck, it's a 6-cylinder, but it still takes a bit of gas. And everything here, you're going to drive a half hour just to get 2.5 hours back, and so yeah, it is taking a lot of gas, but that's not even a big deal. I'm glad we have the truck because it's helping us play.
Oh yeah, we can take our
kayaks and
out,
our tubes and the girls, and yeah, we have a lot of fun. But yeah, I'm not missing anything we got rid of. I'm so glad. It's like there's, oh my god, I don't have stuff to worry about anymore.
And I don't miss all the room.
I haven't missed the room at all. I don't feel claustrophobic. I've never once felt closed in here.
Nope.
At all.
And it's easier to clean.
So much easier to clean. And we actually, we got to playing so much less 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Literally, when we first started out, the first 6 weeks, let's say, we did really good at, you know, every other day I'd sweep and vacuum and mop the floor and dust because it's really dusty here. It's all dirt roads. So, yeah, and I was like, oh yeah, this is easy to keep clean. And then, I do laundry every day in our little washer and dryer. And then all of a sudden,
in and out from the beach, the girls coming in and out from the beach.
It's just we got to playing too much, and all of a sudden it's just like we didn't, and then we'd say, oh, we have to.
Too much sand.
And then we didn't, and then we have to. So last night we had some, one of our neighbors who are really sweet here.
Really sweet neighbors.
Well, she was sweet until last night when she told me I looked like Ed Sheeran. Then she kind of lost points with me a little bit. And then Aiden told her, what'd you tell her?
He's vain.
He's like, no question, he's vain. She's like, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry.
I said, that's why I married him. Look at this man. He's vain.
Anyways, she said maybe she'll come over last night, and we were like, sure, you know. And so we got in the house, and I was like, shouldn't we like clean if we might have company?
We've got to clean.
So we went through and cleaned. It took us all of a half hour.
A whole half hour,
and we
had
were
everything done.
spotless again, and it was awesome. Oh, I want to show you something. I want to tell you something. So,
well, tell them.
Ooh, I'm so excited. So yeah, there is one other problem we've had, and I'm sure a lot of parks people, RV people are going to have this problem. Stray cats pissing on your stuff
And smelling around your RV.
Like our own cat. It goes in the kitty litter and stuff. We've never smelled that cat. That pissy
cat smell.
We go outside. The cats have been pissing over all our stuff. He had a plastic bag out there with something,
a handle in it.
With a handle in it. The cat
peed in the bag.
On the bag, in the bag. We just found that, but we couldn't get rid of the smell. It sprayed on our new screens. So I did some research and I found enzymes. And these are, we are not getting paid for this. They are not our advertisement, but it's so awesome. We wanted to go into a little bit. Enzymes. These are enzymes. These are Amazon commercial multi-purpose enzyme cleaner concentrate. You spray this on, the enzymes build up, and they just kill the smell. We got bottles to put it in, and it is almost instant, and it kills that pee urine smell from cats. We started using it to clean stuff. It takes the hard water off the shower doors. It cleans the
toilet pee off of your toilet.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the water or the years of use, but we've always had kind of yellow around our toilet.
A yellow.
This stuff took it right off. This stuff's amazing. I think this is the only cleaner we're ever going to use now.
Oh yeah.
It smells good. It's kind of a minty, fresh smell.
It's really good.
It's safe for pets.
If you have pets that you have a pen outside and they pee in their pen, you clean up. Well, of course you clean up after your dogs. Everybody does.
This is it. This is the stuff. It's awesome. And it works so great. I said, you know what? They're not an advertiser for us or anything, but they've helped us out. This stuff helped us out so much. We're going to give them a good plug.
Oh, yeah.
So, Yeah, for your urine, your cat smell, definitely I would recommend the Amazon Commercial Multi-Purpose Enzyme Cleaner. And of course, you can get that at Amazon.com. But yeah, I'm happy. We're happy. We looking on. We're getting excited. We do have our places lined up that we're going to stay, but then winter's going to be coming around again.
And we got to figure out where we're going to go.
Yeah. And
so if you have any ideas for us, let us know down.
Please comment. Let us know. It's got to be close around Arizona. We want to be a little warmer. But right now, I mean, things are going to fill up so fast.
Yeah, and we need to know.
But we're just kind of, and we actually, the next places that we're staying, we do have some places that we have reserved through the winter, but we don't want to stay in that area that long. But it is a backup, so we'll be okay. That stresses winter.
Yeah, they said call around that time. We always have openings. Yeah. So we're going okay,
yeah,
not a problem.
At least we have a place. If all else, we can't get anywhere else, and it'll still be fun.
Hey, girl.
Girls are doing great. I think they've all got a little new life in them, right?
Yeah.
They're happy, of course.
Mocha likes playing her
Mocha
ball.
loves playing her water ball, which we showed you last video. And, yeah, things are getting kind of rough with her. And we know we got some rough decisions to make.
Hard decisions within the next few weeks.
But, we'll see how that goes. But, if something has to happen, what a place to go.
Right.
What a beautiful place to go. And anyways, we're not going to go into that. But yeah. What else?
That's it, actually.
That's it. I mean,
covered it all.
As far as cost, we watch a lot of YouTube videos on the cost of full-time RV living, and then our figures never really
added up.
Got dog hair in my mouth. Never really added up. I felt like
right there too.
People saying $2,700, $2,800 a month to live this life, and maybe because they're not as well set up as we are, everything's paid off. Right. We owe no money. Our little house payment, but that'll be gone once it's sold. But as far as just the living, it's not that costly. I think for lot rent per month, we're paying $4 something with utilities.
Yeah.
We pay utilities aside, but it's like $3 something and another $100 and something for utilities. It's not.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Bad at all. Other than that, I mean, eating out.
We do eat out a lot.
That is a big expense. We do eat out too much. We've been trying to. I mean, the first 6, 7 weeks, we were like eating out every day. Like, let's drive 30 minutes there and back to get something and waste a half tank of gas, But
then we got a place that was across the street that had pretty good burgers.
Yeah, and we eat there a lot. But we are trying to cut that down, and I think once we get more into this lifestyle,
we'll cook more.
We'll cook more, and I'm getting used to the kitchen.
And I'm getting my kitchen outside set up.
But, yeah, we're happy. Everything that we had planned out and hoped it would work out, everything's worked out as far as the redesigning of the place worked out perfect. It's easy to clean. It's so nice.
It's very nice.
We love our home.
Easy to clean.
And I think of it as a house. I'm always saying the house.
Our house. Let's go back to our house.
This is our house. I mean, it's our house. It's our home. It's awesome. We're happy. So I guess that's all we'll bring to you this week.
Yeah, if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up so you get notified that something else is coming in.
Tell your friends about us, please.
Please, that helps us out.
We're going to try to build up this channel a little more and maybe do some advertising and bring more people in on it, which would be fun, and maybe have some giveaways, and we're planning some different stuff. So stay tuned with us. We're getting there.
We're getting there, and please look us up on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
Facebook.
Instagram and also Facebook, A Divine RV Life.
We're always posting new pictures on there, so.
Yeah. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.
And, thumbs up, please. Like us, subscribe, all that.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Because that'll notify you as well.
I hope you all have an awesome week this week.
Awesome
wonderful
Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial Day weekend and Memorial Day, which will be tomorrow.
Actually, what day is
Monday.
Monday.
That's it. And until next week,
Have a divine life.